it's TxStampin Sharon. I am so excited for today's video. I'm telling you, I have worked really hard to bring you the information I'm going to share. I am excited to announce a Bird Ballad Suite project sheet, kind of an online class that I'm doing. And I can't wait to show you. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. After you subscribe, hit that little notification bell. If I can ever help you with any of your Stampin' Up supply needs, let me know. I love how Stampin' Up offers suites, and this is called the Bird Ballad Suite. And you can actually buy the whole bundle at one price. It's actually $94.75, and you would get everything. You would get the stamp set, you get the framelits, you get the designer series paper, you get the beautiful scalloped etched note cards and scalloped envelopes. I'm going to be showing you those. You're going to go nuts. And the beautiful ribbon and the trinkets, all for one bundle. If you don't want to do that, it's okay. You'll just flip the page and you'll see the stamp set here and the gorgeous papers up here. This is a great photo for you to actually see what the papers look like. I'm very impressed that Stampin' Up did it this way for this catalog. It's awesome. The only thing that it might be a little confusing that I want to share with you, back on this page, if you'll get the bundle, you'll save 10%. The bundle is actually $51.25. So this bundle qualifies for what I'm going to be sharing today. And it's the stamp set and the framelit. So I wish this was over here, but it's not. And so it's my job to point this out to you on this page. If you do not already have a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you live in the United States, I would be happy to send you a catalog. So this is the card that we're going to do on today's video. Sweet little simple card, right? Okay. Here's the stamp set. Free as a bird. Now, normally when we have any kind of ways to cut this out, such as framelits or, things like that, it would be in the shape of, say, the bird. Not this time. These are called nested stitched labels. Okay, so they're all designed to work with each other according to the size of the label you need. Then there's also this cute little stitched piece that would go like along the bottom of a card or something like that. So let me show you. I already showed you the papers, but I gotta show you this. Look at this beautiful tin. You could decorate this tin, make some cards, put in there, and give it as a gift. Okay, keep that in mind. So these envelopes, and let me get an envelope here. So look at the envelope. It is scalloped, okay? And then look at this. It is already cut out. Stampin' Up has had laser cut 12 by 12 paper, and you had to cut it apart. But this is attached to the card itself. This is the actual card front. Gorgeous. I hope the video does it justice because it is so pretty. Here is the beautiful ribbon. This lovely ribbon, very lacy. Then there's some little trinkets. And there's keys, there's leaves. Let's see if I can pull them all out. And there's a little flower. So tons of these. I don't know if you can see or not. Well, here's the flower. Here's the little leaves. And then here's a key. Tiny, tiny, but cute little trinkets. So great for tags, or as you will see, I'm going to be putting them on the cards. So I do want to show you from June 4th to June 10th, if you place a $50 order minimum on my website, and my link is below, you're going to get these 6 projects, and I'm going to show them to you here. All the instructions, you'll get the project sheet. So there's that paper, that envelope. Whoops. I added a piece of cardstock to that, but isn't that pretty? There's that little trinket. Oh, I didn't want to forget to show you the envelopes. Here's another one. Here's another one. And then this one opens up like that. So you would get 6 projects plus 6 bonus projects and that would be in a project sheet form. And I will be doing a tips and tricks video with that online class option. But yeah, you have until June 10th. I am working with 3 of my other stamping buddies to bring this to you. And we're just super excited about the idea. So I hope you like it too. Let's see, I've already cut these out with 2 of the framelits. So this is just Whisper White and Basic Black. I'm telling you, this is a super easy card. I'm using Memento ink. I'm gonna bring that in just a little bit so I don't put my head in the camera. Your friendship means the world to me. Love it. So that's all the stamping we're doing. I'm just going to add this to the black. Okay. And I'll be putting some dimensionals on, so we might as well do that while we have it in our hand. Now, the first time I added this framelit, and it's not a very big one, I only put the 2 dimensionals on. I had to go back in and tuck in some more. It was just too wobbly. So it kind of seems like overkill, but trust me, you got to do it. All right, so I'm going to take this ribbon, and let me just show you so that you'll understand why I did this. To me, when I just laid the ribbon on there, you can't see it, can you? So I was like, oh, well, I want to use the ribbon. We're going to color the ribbon. So I'm going to leave my card there. So we need about that much colored, okay? I'm using the Stampin' Blends, and I need to grab one of those other cards that I already showed you because I colored that ribbon a different color. So I'll do that when I finish this. This needs to dry for just a few seconds because it is kind of wet, but it colors it so pretty. I have not tried coloring it with regular Stampin' Right markers. I just know that these alcohol markers will give me the result I want. All right, let me show you that other card. There it is. Nope, that's not it. Oh, here it is, right on the top. So see, I colored it Pool Party. Can you see that? So yeah, you can color this ribbon any color you want. Love it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Normally I would color the back, but I don't need to because it's going to be laying over my Designer Series paper. So I'm going to go ahead and add some snail. I prefer to add a good amount of snail because I never, ever, ever want a card to fall apart when someone gets it. So notice how this is kind of curving. So you kind of got to watch that. I want it to go straight. So I'm going to pull it straight and make sure it sticks down. I always like to add a little bit of adhesive on the back so that my card doesn't lift up where that ribbon is. Now that I've colored it, you can see it. Isn't that pretty? I loved it. All right, let's add the last piece and we'll be done. So again, in the description box below, I will have the measurements, which is very simple, for this card. And with my 12 options that I'm giving you, then you're gonna have 13 ideas with measurements right off the bat when you purchase this bundle. So there you go, my friends. I hope to see you in my June online Bird Ballad class. What did y'all think? Isn't that set adorable? I'm just over the moon. And I'm super excited to work with my friends on bringing you guys this project. So you'll get 6 projects and then you'll get 6 bonus. So that's a 12-pack project sheet that you will be emailed. And if you don't want to place a $50 order on my website, you can also purchase it for $20. I will have the link to my blog in the description box below so that you can have all the details. So happy stamping, y'all!